Hi everyone and welcome to my silver update. I'm JR 2020, actually April 2020, right? We're looking at the monthly silver chart. Not much to report. I tried to do a video when the market tanked here to 11 and a quarter. And by the time I got to the computer, it was already back to 13 and a half. I wasn't able to get that video out there. With that said, it seems like this support level of support broke, it turned into resistance, and now is back at support. So again, a little bit of a confused market here. I think the only way to trade silver right now is to realize that the prices are really good. Buy with confidence, buy at 15, buy at 12, buy at 10. You know, this market is going to take off. The gold market has already taken off. I see gold at 4,000 easily. I see silver at $150 easily. I think 15 and a quarter is a steal. If we want to look at the shorter term time frame to see what's happening there, on the daily time frame, I could see a little bit of a move higher here. We want to see what's going to happen when we get to this area here. I think it'll be interesting if we surpass this 16 and a half and then test the 18 and 3/4. But I think in the short term, you might see a little bit of a rally here from this area here, maybe up to this area here, which I would expect some resistance. As far as support is concerned, you know, we have some solid support at around 13 and a quarter, simply because, and 3/4, simply because that was the level of support that was, you know, turned into resistance, but again, just broke right through. This could be a V formation, a V recovery. V recoveries, you know, they don't come very often, but when they do, you know, they take a lot of people out of the market because people think that the market is going to continue to go in the direction, right? So I think a lot of people probably lost their behinds right here because they started shorting, again, thinking that the market was going to come down, break that level of support. Now it became resistance. Now you want to short there to confirm the downtrend, right, and create another low. So that's not what happened. Again, we do have a giant wick here. That's not necessarily positive or negative. I do see that these giant wicks tend to be revisited, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see these prices at least try to test. But again, silver is a little bit more volatile than gold. Expect volatility, but expect also much, much higher prices in the months to come.